औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम टॉट बच्चों रात पर फिफ्थ मैथ्स पर कॉमन मल्टीपल आज ब्याक क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 which of the following numbers are divisible by 2 by 2 by 4 and C part by 5 अच्छा और 4 9 4 0 back to 940 back 25280 562 496 3625 यम और यमो मज वन divisible by 2 by 2 which say by a number let's look a number 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 is divisible 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 by 2 so number is divisible by 2 if it is unit digit digit is 0 2 6 4 6 or 8 यम गए तम डिजिट यमन सो नंबर यूस नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 2 गए तमिक यूनिट डिजिट गए आसन गो इकाई तमिक गए आसन या गए आसन 0 या गए आसन 2 नत गए आसन 4 नत गए आसन 6 नत गए आसन 8 हम चाहता डिविजिबल बाय 5 वैसे ये चाहिए 4940 जो 0 आ ये गो divisible by 2 bago 940 it divisible by 2 25280 it go divisible by 2 262 562 it go divisible by 2 kella is goduk 2 goduk 0 goduk 0 goduk 0 get 4 9 6 go 6 is divisible by 2 go 3 6 2 5 it is divisible by 2 kaz godi jay chena at 5 godi jay chena at 5 go I store figri yem as yem 4940 940 25280 562 496 are divisible by divisible divisible by SIBLE divisible by 2 बहुत टाइप को ब्रियो बुश ब्याक पार्ट दोयम पार्ट एमुक बी पार्ट क्या छु ब्रियो बी पार्ट एमुक by 4 अच्छा each is a number which is divisible by a number number is divisible by divisible divisible by 4 if it is unit 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 if it is unit a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are 0 if the last two digits digits are 0 extremely divided by 5 0 expected divided by 5 we say a number which is divisible by 4 some number is divided guys 4 so if it is last two digits are 0 in last two digits are 0 या 4 as digits are 0 or 4 مثلا اسمه last two digits 4940 go last two digits 4 to the 0 to yeah is divisible by 4 back to 940 yeah is divisible by 4 to came by 0 yeah 40 go 25280 go 8 to is divisible by it is divisible by 5 4 9 6 it are divisible by divisibly by 4. Go B part, C part. C part choice by 5. By 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it is unit digit digit is 0 or 5. Go use I say 5 cho. Go ismano 5 use yat rakmas as digit ya law ya if it is unit digit yat as 0 as ya 5 as that gets divisible by 5. Go masan 4940 at guys at divisible by 0. 940 at divisible by it guys. 25280 at guys. 562 at guys nikin at divisible by at unit place use yani eka use such at 0 not 5. Go 496 at guys nikin get at unit place okay and back go 3 6 2 5 at guys. So yim guy are divisible by divisibly by 5. Go I store picking go bro. Use I say unit place as 2 and a number yet device gets 2 so they make unit place gets 0 2 4 6 8 that gets 2 so use 4 they make a number as yes 4 is divide karo they make unit place gets at least 0 or 4. Use 5 guys they make unit place gets as 0 or 5. Go guy this sawal back is law question number 6. Question number 60 find HCF 12 and 16. HCF go highest common factor. Highest common factor. As no 12. We said 12 is juice. 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. It's again 16. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 2 2s are. So go as go A part. Go as 12 chips as barabar 2 into 2 into 3 as 16 as barabar 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 2 2 4 8 16 3 3 रेशियो 6 2 12. गो तेम मतलब कॉमन फैक्टर्स क्या चाहिए हाईएस्ट कॉमन factors of 12 and 16 are highest common 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 therefore the required REQUIR the required HCF common factor goes for HCF goes 2 into 2 is equal to 4. बाकी पार्ट करो इससे बस बाकी वसल्लम चलो बेस